Hello guys. So a few days ago I have posted a video in which I made an artwork using acrylic paint markers, which are these. I recently made a small art haul videos where I bought these and some other art supplies. So this is the acrylic paint marker box. It's by Rui. There are 12 colors in total. The back looks like this. All these are all the potential colors you can get. And just like acrylic paint, you can also paint it in any surfaces. It's shown here, bottle, paper and stuff like that. So I got it for 1050 rupees. Anyways, so it's open like this. These are all the colors that you can get. Since it's a limited color palette, you don't get any skin tone, which is a pretty bad thing, because if you want to color a lighter skin tone, so that gets difficult. So there's two sides. One is brush tip like this, and the other one is bullet nib like this. Surprisingly, for some reason, brush tip side and bullet nib side have a variety of colors. Like one side is darker and the other side is lighter. So now let's talk about the artwork. This is the artwork I made that day, and I don't know why I choose this artwork. One thing, because it have a really limited color palette, like mostly blacks and grays and a little bit of teal or turquoise colors. So I don't know why I choose to make this artwork with these limited color palettes. But anyways, the stuffs that went wrong for me, like I said, it was a limited color palette. You can see that the skin tone is really dark. It's I tried to make it pretty lighter, but still it's pretty dark considering this specific character. His skin tone is pretty light. And the second, the blendability was pretty bad. I don't know, maybe the color, the paper I have choose, maybe that was the reason why. But it was the markers were drying pretty quickly, even more quickly than the paints. And because of that, I was having trouble getting the gradient. So I try using water and brush to spread the colors, but still it didn't work. There you can see there are paint splotches everywhere. And since I don't have any gray color, I tried to mix white in black to make it a gray, but after a while it would the black color would completely worn off from it, and you can see the white color. So I have to go back and forth to make it. So by the time I was almost complete, the only part was left was the clothes. I already done the black part before, so the only part left was clothes. So because of that, I was sick and tired and want to get the artwork done quickly. So I used alcohol marker to make, and also I used yellow color for the sword where the golden part was work, and I'm really not happy with it. But I would like to give these markers a try because I really want it to work, because the concept is pretty good. You can because sometimes you just want to paint but you don't want to do the cleanup afterwards, like you have to wash the paint brush cups and paint brushes and clean up leftover paints and stuff like that. This is a pretty great alternative when you are in a bed and stuff like that. You don't want to do cleanup and you just want to make some painting artwork, so you can use this, which is a great concept, but it needs a little more practice to get used to it. And maybe I don't have any concept and techniques on how to paint with this, so maybe that's the reason why it didn't work out. And I really want to give it give it a more chance one more time, so I will try it. But these were some steps that went wrong with me, and during this artwork specifically. I do need a little more practice and stuff like that. So I will give it a try, and let me know in the comments below if what type of artwork I should make with those. So see you later. Bye.